For your phonics activity today, you're going to take 12 words off of your word list, and you're going to write each one on a separate word strip. Today I have chosen to use the word captive as my example. After you have written the word and you've cut out your strips, you are then going to highlight the consonants between the two vowel parts where the syllable breaks. So for the word captive, I would highlight the P and the T. Once you've highlighted your consonants, you will then cut the word into its separate syllable parts, like I have done right here. After you have cut the syllable parts, you will then trade the words with a partner, and they will rebuild the words and read it out loud. Do this for all 12 of your words.